Hey guys, this is Mr. Video doing 79 vlogs here, and I'm back here with a with another vlog. Cause this time this is gonna be a little one ticket vlog. And and of course and of course and you can tell I just come back from a walk. This to my face being and I guess you would say yep, and so of course I just come back from the Alice party for a walk, and of course why do we nice walk it was indeed. So yep, pretty much. So of course I was going to do a one thing vlog do yesterday, but then I changed my mind because I just did not want to bother. So of course I'm actually doing today yep, Thursday the 16th of January. So yep, pretty much. So yep. So of course after the long after the 3-day vlog for this past weekend, I've actually never did much on Tuesday and Wednesday, other than I had an event with the churches for youth the yes Tuesday, and of course that was fun, and of course yep, and of course otherwise yesterday I just never did much. The only fun thing I did otherwise yesterday was because I just went outdoors. Yep, over I went around the Attraction Pond subdivision. So yep, indeed. Which you saw a few days ago too on my 3 days in the one vlog number 29. So yep, pretty much. So yep, and of course one of those and then 3 I just worked and then that was a pure doll. Yep, indeed, and of course yep, pretty much. So of course tomorrow, you would never believe what's going to happen tomorrow. That's right. We are supposed to get a blizzard tomorrow. Our first blizzard since the 2014, believe it or not. So yeah, pretty much. So cause first of all, I noticed the what is it, the January 2014 blizzard all too well. I always the blizzard caused morning blackouts. So yep, pretty much. Yep, and of course, yep, but of course, because this mission is actually supposed to be worse, because we are supposed to get winds like as strong as it was just almost 2 years ago now in March 2017. Yep, which is 150 cars now, and then and then we begin up to 80 centimeters of snow. Can you believe it? 80 centimeters of snow. Unbelievable, eh? Yep, I know. Yep, indeed. Yep. But so this could be a wisdom yet. So and of course because we then becomes the paralysis. So but of course which I really don't like. So yep, pretty much. So of course hope I just hope that everyone stays safe during this snowstorm tomorrow, blizzard tomorrow I should say, and yep, and of course and of course hope you guys don't end up going out anywhere during the storm, because Tesla, the businesses and some news and malls will be closed and pretty much pull off a figure McDonald. Oh man. But of course, yeah, pretty much. Yep. So of course, of course, of course, just stay safe during this snowstorm. But of course, I will. Yep, indeed. But because even on the interview news there, yes, earlier, the the city of St. John's might actually put out a state of emergency due to this storm. Yep, might be that bad. Oh yeah, pretty much. So of course, because who knows if St. John's has put out a state of emergency, then maybe the rest of the St. John's area like here in Paris will too. So yeah, pretty much. Because this could be a really serious blizzard. Yep. But of course, but of course, because you never know because one time a few months ago um um when I was in Florida I've been following the weather and then of course we were going to have a major weather event happened on a second on the date of our second fall day in Florida in October. But of course, as we should really saw thunderstorms and of course, we should make really cause power outages. But of course, at least at least the thunderstorms was strong in the semi Orlando area where we were staying, and but then of course it was actually pouring rain otherwise. So yep, and of course what else? But then of course the next day it actually cleared up, which was really nice, and it was just a surprise too. But of course believe not people over here. We actually had a nor'easter which featured a lot of high winds. Not as don't think to as high as what is expected for 12, and of course it also featured like fairly strong thunderstorms. Even up north here in Newfoundland, huh? Really? Yep, indeed. That was on the 18th of October. Our second day of in Florida, by the way. So yep, pretty much. So yep. Anyway, so yep. So of course I don't really want to do a full vlog of troll or just like what I did what I did 20 or like totally if I'm doing a full vlog tour or not, because I do know that I'll hopefully be recording some videos on the blizzard like how he deals with the blizzard. Yep. But of course you never know. But of course if not, I say it'll be it'll be just basically one ticker updates. Yep, pretty much. So yeah, pretty much. But of course because I might do a do a full day video told only something on this weekend. So yep, pretty much. So oh yeah. Because I'm hoping to do full day vlogs again probably soon like more than soon that is. Because for now I just hope you enjoy this this little one ticker vlog. So yeah, pretty much. So yeah, well I'll pretty much leave it right there guys while so I really hope you guys like this really want to take a vlog. This is vlog number 30 by me, my 30th vlog. Yep, indeed. And of course, stay tuned for vlog number, oh, what is it, 31 coming up, maybe tomorrow. And of course, this is actually also a safety vlog too, since this is being recorded upon the YouTube app on my iPhone. So yeah, pretty much. So of course, over and out, guys. Peace, bye, see you there.